Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just have a really quick tip for you. If you find yourself without a pair of cable cutters, and if you need to cut either a cable or a cable housing, if you go to Harbor Freight, you can pick up one of their little rotary Dremel tools for $7 if you have the coupon. And these things actually work half decent to cut the cables or the cable housing. It doesn't fray the cable, and it does take a little bit longer to cut through the cable housing, but it leaves a clean cut. And I just wanted to pass this along in case you can't maybe afford a pair of good cable cutters. Again, this is only $7, doesn't cost that much, and it does the job. I'm not saying these work as good as cable cutters, but they get the job done and it works okay for under 10 bucks. All right, so if you found that useful, go ahead and share this with a friend, like, comment, do all that good stuff. It helps me, helps support the channel. Appreciate you guys. Till I see you next time, take care.